Hello and welcome to the English speaking classes with Santosh Rajput. Today I am going to share a amazing technique that technique is very result oriented technique. So because I have also used this technique in my English speaking journey. So first let me tell you how did I get this technique. Actually what happened, there are so many English learner used to complain to me that sir, we don't have anyone in our family, in our friend circle with whom we can practice in English. Yes, we know without practice we can't improve our English. Practice is very necessary. There is a say in English that practice make perfect. So I believe on this say 100%. So because there are so many language in India as a mother tongue. If you are from South India, your mother tongue may be Tamil or Malayalam and Marathi, Telugu. Or if you are from Middle India, your mother tongue may be Hindi, Rajasthani, or Haryanvi. There are so many mother tongue in India, but having different type mother tongue is not issue to use this technique. That doesn't matter to use this technique. So first, let me tell you what is the technique. Technique is that whatever you are speaking in your mother tongue with your friends in your family, try to convert it your mother tongue into English language. Okay, there is no need to speak loudly. You just try to convert it in your mind. Okay, whatever you are speaking. Okay, so suppose that I am from let me explain it through an example. I am from Middle India, so my mother tongue is Hindi. Okay, so I am talking to my mother. मैं अपनी माँ से बात कर रहा हूँ. जैसे मामा मुझे मार्केट जाना है क्योंकि मेरा फ्रेंड आ रहा है, मुझे कुछ स्टेप कुछ सामान लाना है मुझे मार्केट से. ये मैंने मतलब लाउडली हिंदी में बोला, ठीक है, लेकिन इसको मुझे इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो हाउ टू आई कन्वर्ट इट इन इंग्लिश. Mama, I am going to market to get some stuff because my friend is coming here to meet me. Okay, so like this you can convert your mother tongue into English language. This is very safe zone. No one will judge you. You don't worry about that. So you be just continue with this process. I know this technique will be difficult for you in a beginning period of the time, but you don't worry. After some time you will be habitual of this process and you will enjoy this process. You don't worry. If you be continue with this process for 2 months, after 2 months you will see a magical result in your English communication. Okay, so you don't worry. If you think that you are not able to convert, your level may be different. Suppose that your level is you are able to 10% convert your mother tongue into English language, but after next 5 days you will be able to convert your mother tongue into English 15, then 20, then 25. So with this series, if you we continue with this process, so along with this process your level will also increase. Okay, so you don't worry about level. Whatever level you have, start with that. Okay, so if you we continue again I am saying to you, if you we continue with this process for 2 months, after 2 months you will see a magical result. You won't be able to believe on that. You just be continue for 2 months. After 2 months you will see a magical result in your communication skills. I hope you got this technique, and if you think this technique is useful for you, this video is useful for you, so please like and share this video. Or if you want to get a like this video in the future, then make it subscribe this channel. And till that time, bye bye, and thank you so much for watching video.